feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
screw. Pako. Pako ako. Yun. Yan. Yan ito. Balit natin. Ito bago. Balit natin. Bago. Bagong bago. Diba? Nalo. Oh, shit. Bagong bago. Kailangan pa kung yan ay. Bakit ba? Yes. There's some screw here. Here. It's my pressure not coming. Ito. Ha? Kapalik ka. Ship. Ano ba na? After also will balance no after this is an old all after 3 new that's how that is used there. Okay. So they will arrange after remove or will come here. This is no? For that Hah? Alpha finish? Alpha finish. Saan open na no? Alpha finish. Yung merchandise also? No. Salesman, which company kuya?
Parota ID.
Which item? Ay, Samya.
ID Parota.
Samya, Sarya. Parota item.
Masala yung noodles?
Yes. Korean noodles. Good noodles, ah. Big company na. New company. 2 years.
Yeah.
Like that. The final, no?
Final.
So that very tight, no? Because sometimes 140 there, Alpha Road.
Bro.
Your market also there.
Asma.
Dulu, oh. Huh? Yeah, Alpha Road there also. Yesterday there. When I check, why this one is like tire? After put air, again coming. Morning time. And then I check, oh, that's just true. There is no finish? Okay. Thank you, bro. Oh, Tarsha? Huh? Rare. Air. Ah, okay. Reduce or air na? Ah, air.
I think we are California.
Calipa City.
Just put the map.
Okay. This one?
Because we will make
Will make also 10 dirham ba for the
5 meters.
vulcanize. Okay, bro. Thank you.
Bro,
Later, I know it's more. No smoke. Thank you, okay. Your name, yeah? I finished already.
We have marriage today. Okay.
Okay, bro. Thank
My
you.
name is
Rafi, ha?
Okay.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for helping, ha? Tapos na tayo magpalit. Hindi, tinulungan tayo ng mga lahi dito. Mga Indiano, yung mga mababait naman talaga dito. Kung nakita siya, nakita ako. Tinulungan ako. Mabait talaga. Tapos na. Balik ko na sa loob. Okay, mga ka-vlog. So, hello mga ka-vlog. So, napalitan ko na yung tiger. Ayan na. Ayan, hindi ko muna kinabit yung cover kasi mamaya na. Ayan na, pinitan ko na. First time ko magpalit na ito kaya medyo nahirapan ako. So, ayan na yun. Okay, sige, bye bye. Lipat na ako sa ibang market.